guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I created this glittery and really dramatic smoky eye. I did use the Tati Beauty palette for this look. So if you want to see how I created this look, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and we will begin. Alright, so I went ahead and primed my eyes with some Tarte Shape Tape, and then I did set it with the shade Aura, the matte version, with this brush, and just kind of like sweeped it all over, just kind of like neutralize everything and have it ready to start. So I am using the Tati Beauty palette for this because I always thought it'd be really pretty to do a glittery black smoky eye. So obviously this palette is perfect. So right now I'm just going in with the matte shade Soothe, and it's just like a brown, just to kind of give me my base where I want. So I'm just placing this in my crease and transition area as a good starting point. Usually when I'm going in to do a smoky eye, I like to start with like a good brown or gray to build it up before I go in with the black. So now that we have our rough shape, I'm going to go in with the shade Ritual in the matte shade of this palette. It's just like the deep chocolate brown, and I'm just going to place this right over the other one, but kind of more into my crease, and I'm not going to blend it as high into the transition area like I was the first shade. And I've just been using the exact same brush for all of this. Don't pull on your lid, I'm just doing it because it's been really creasy lately and I can't wink, so I kind of have to like hold one eye closed. So that's why you guys see me do what I'm doing. So if you don't have to, don't do it. So next I'm going in with Soothe again, that first shade, like a light brown, and I'm just gonna blend out that last shade we just did. Alright, I think we got a good thing going now, so I'm gonna dip into the black shade. It's called Memory, and again it is the matte shade to start. I haven't done like a full-on smoky moment like this in quite a while. I used to use that Tarte Clay Play palette all the time because I did really love that palette for doing smoky looks, but I haven't reached for it in quite some time. So like I said, since I can't wink, I'm just gonna place this. I don't know why I can't wink. Alright, so we have that side roughly, and then we're gonna do the other. This is a really nice black. I actually have not used any of these Memory shades yet. None of them. I actually bought this palette for those shades actually because I really like doing some smokier moments, like if I have an event or just want to be really dramatic. Then I'll do like a smoky eye and like a nude or even a red lip if I want to be like extra. Next I'm going to grab a different brush for once, is the M433, and I'm going to go in with Ritual, that dark chocolate, and place that right over that. Just going to help blend it out because I don't want it to look like I got beat up. Speaking of getting beat up, I obviously didn't, but yesterday, so Chris and I went to the gym and we worked out back and biceps, and I already knew I was going to be sore from doing that because it's been a while. I've been doing like the Pilates Reform and Zen Fitness with Renee, but it's not as like intense as like lifting heavy weights because that's what I like to do, especially with like my arms and my back. So after we got back from the gym later that day, I was coming down our stairs and they were wooden, and I got to like the fourth from the bottom, I think, third, I don't know, and I fell. But I did not hit my head. I don't know how. Something just like said tuck your head, so I did, but I nailed a huge bruise like right under my butt, like on my upper thigh on the back, and then my lower back has like a huge line bruise, and then like right here by my shoulder blade, I didn't realize I hit there, but this morning I woke up and I was like, what the heck, and like I barely touched it, and there's like a bruise lump right there, so really painful. So I'm like, I can't tell if I'm just sore from the gym or if it's also because, you know, I fell down stairs and it really hurts. I hope it doesn't hurt tomorrow because I'm supposed to go skiing. Now I'm not sure if that's a great idea or if that's gonna happen, because if it still hurts this bad, I'm not going. I don't want to risk falling or anything, and just sometimes sitting like this kind of hurts, sitting in my beauty chair. Like I can't turn very well, so that really hurt. But yeah, so now I'm going in with the metallic memory shade. I just wet my brush just because it's usually easier to pick up her product when it is wet. This metallic is acting a little bit different than the other ones. I don't hate it, it's just definitely different. Feels like it's softer than the others, so I'm really glad I did my eyes first. I generally do if I am doing like a dark smoky look like this, but I'm like extra glad because there is a lot of fallout. It is so pretty. I need to obviously fix it, and then we're gonna add some glitter. But yeah, so I fell, and I'm just like, I was really hoping I wouldn't do anything to myself this year, which obviously at least it's not serious, it's just some really bad bruising. But wow, it really hurts. So luckily, I'm actually so excited. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but this morning I posted a story and a post with Red Dress. I'm collabing with them, and they have been one of my top brands on my list that I've like wanted to collab with forever. Ever since I started following other bloggers, and I was like, and I told myself, you know, I'm gonna do this one day, and now here I am doing it. Really excited about that. But anyways, I'm so glad I filmed those stories the previous day. So I'm so glad I did, because I do not know how I would be doing a try-on session right now. Which I have another brand, Julep, that I work with that I have to do one for, but luckily it's not due till February. So I'm probably gonna wait on that store. I'll probably post it when my second photo for them goes up, just because it really hurts. But yeah. So far we have the metallic down. It's honestly really pretty with just the metallic. But we are going to take it there and be real extra and go in with the glitter memory shade. Because why not add more glitter? Because this, honestly, I think the metallic in this memory is probably the nicest of the entire palette. It just has a little bit more punch, and it's like a true metallic to me. The other ones just kind of feel like a shimmer, but they are like gorgeous still, and I still love this palette, but it's just my observation after using everything. Oh wow, that glitter with it. This is one extra smoky eye. So no extra product on this. I'm just gonna go in and like sweep around the edges and just like help things blend out. Take a makeup wipe, sweep away all of that fallout. Holy crap. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. I'll probably put on my lashes, and then we will do the lower lash line. Alright, so everything else is on minus highlight, and now it's time to do the lower lash line while my lashes dry. So I'm going to start out with this little pencil. I don't even know what you would call this. It's not really a pencil brush, it's kind of, I don't know. But I'm going to go in with this one in the shade Sooo, the matte version. I'm just basically doing exactly what I did on, or in my crease down here on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to dip into Ritual, the dark chocolate brown shade. Sweep that under there. Alright, and then next I'm going to dip into Memory, that black shade with this. I'm actually going to hold up my mirror for this one, sort of looking into my little camera thing, and just focus this on the outer portion. This is a really pigmented black shade. Alright, I have a paper towel right here by me, so I'm just gonna like dust some of this off. And then I'm gonna go back in and continue blending that out to the inner corner on both sides. I just didn't want it to be as stark black. And again, sweep it off, and I'm gonna go back in with Ritual, that brown shade. I'm just gonna help blend that out and soften it just a little bit. This is a really intense smoky eye. I kind of love it. Alright, so right now I look like a raccoon. I need to put on some liner and mascara real fast. Alright, so I went ahead and popped on some liner and mascara. I used my Pat McGrath gel liner in Black Coffee and my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir have all the products on my face linked down below, but I need to go ahead and do some highlight to finish this look and add a lip. Can't decide if I should like take it there and do like a red lip or if that's like too much, or if I should just do like a pinky nude. So I'm gonna go figure out what I want to do and I'll come back on and show you guys the completed look. So I decided on a nude glossy lip. I used the Tom Ford lipstick in the shade Blush Nude, and I paired over it the Lawless. It is their lip gloss, and it's in the shade Lav. Those are what I'm wearing on my lips, and like I said, I'll have everything linked in the description box. That is it for this easy, really glittery, dramatic, smoky. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a long time since I've done a look like this. It is really intense, but I do really like it. Of course, I have nowhere to wear it to today, but that's okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and all of my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!